First impression matters. Here is the look you can wear for your interviews or meetings. Here is how to look like that girl without doing too much. Professional, yes. Pretty, absolutely. This is the go-to look for interviews, presentation, and showing up like a boss. I'm going for a soft definition here. Think natural, brows, light contour, and a natural eyeshadow look with soft liner. The goal is polished but not overdone. This look says, I came to slay, but I also came to get the job done. I'm finishing with my lip pencil and gloss that won't move around and setting everything in place to last all day. It's giving grown woman energy, and I'm here for it. Save this for your next big moment. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to join the family. Drop your lovely comments. I would love to read them. Share and like. I will see you guys in my next one. Enjoy the process. Bye bye.